Okay, I'm gonna try to fix this a little bit so it's all more in frame. Yeah, there we go. If you guys haven't seen part 1 to this video, I would go and check that out. The links are down below. This reading may make a lot more sense that way. I also don't know yet, because obviously I haven't uploaded this on my phone just yet. If you find that I say part 1, but it's really part 2, again, just check out all the links down below. I might have to cut the first video off into 2 parts also, so this may be the 3rd part to this reading for Leo. So keep that in mind. It's just so that I have, so I can upload it, basically. Okay, let's get back to this reading. Your person here coming out as their intention with these 2 swans, this number 24 here. I don't know, maybe 24 is important to them. Maybe they could be 24 years old. Doesn't have to be. We have 35 here as well. But again, doesn't have to be. They, in conjunction with this past life relationship card here, they want to, again, continue to work on this. You know, they don't see themselves letting this go. That was never in the plan, you know, with this patience and planning in the reverse. That was never the plan for this individual. But again, because you're like, there's something inside of you that knows that you can't be here anymore. I don't know what kind of changes you feel like you have to make within your own personal life. Maybe you feel like it's not them, it's you. You know, for some of you, and it's like just something is just not sitting right within you anymore, you know. And if you are just really honest with yourself, you know that you like have love for this individual, but like the cycle is closing out, and you know if you stay here, it's gonna stunt your growth. And there's just something that's telling you that like there's something else that you have to do. There's that's part of your life path, and unfortunately at this time your paths are diverging and this person can't come with you, you know. And I feel like that's the harsh truth here. So yeah, I do feel like, again, there's resistance on this person's part to let go. But let's dive into the tarot now. Where is this deck? Okay, over here. Oh, I also wanted to say they feel like this person is going to be asking maybe to work things out with you again, you know. Well, obviously we've been saying that, but I feel like this person, like, let's say this person has already moved out. For some of you that's already had this conversation, and this person has accepted, you know, what you had to say and is looking for another place, you know. Let's say that's happening. This person is still probably going to contact you, you know. Yeah, like I said, I feel like this person isn't going to move on very easily, and honestly neither are you, but I feel like this has been on your mind for a long time already, that it's like emotionally you've accepted that this just isn't going to work. So like if you do answer this person's calls, it's more because it's more out of pity. It's more out of because you genuinely care about this person as a human being, but not because you secretly want to work things out with this person, you know. Again, guys, it could be vice versa, right? You could be resonating more with a person too, am I right? All right, Spirit, let's dive into the tarot here. What's going on for Leo and the person that they are connecting to in May? Oh, okay, yep, look at that. 10 of Cups in the reverse. The Knight of Cups in the reverse. Okay, the 7 of Pentacles in the reverse. 3 of Pentacles in reverse. Again, guys, we are in a Mercury retrograde as well. Let's see about over here. Okay. I feel like this is the King of Pentacles in the reverse. And we have the Strength card. And how you see this spread, Leo. Yeah. The Empress and how they see this spread. The Nine of Wands. Bottom of the deck, we have the Lovers. Yep. Choices. This is about choices. Decision making. I feel like there is a strong chemistry, like a strong sexual chemistry between the both of you. And maybe that's one of the reasons why you and or this person kept coming back to this cycle or revisiting this cycle and trying to make this work, is partly because of, look at the sacral chakra energy over here. Is because I feel like there's a lot of, or there was a lot of sexual chemistry between the both of you. And I feel like over time, Leo, it's like you've realized that, like, it's nice to have, you know, that kind of intimacy or that level of intimacy with this person sexually, but that is not enough, obviously, to keep a marriage, or it's not enough to keep a serious commitment going, you know. So with the 10 of Cups here in reverse and the Knight of Cups here in reverse, I feel like you are, again, no longer pursuing this connection. You're withholding your cup here. And I feel like the reason why you're doing this is because, again, you are in this Empress energy. You're realizing that, I think you're realizing here that sex is sacred. And not everybody deserves to have this level of intimacy with you. You know, I feel like that's where you are in your life. That's where you are in your journey. And no shade on the people who you know, don't have issues, you know, having like one night stands or are polygamous. But this is just where Leo is at the moment in time, you know. You do you, you know. But I feel like for you, you're like, you know what, I'm preserving myself at this time. I heard trauma bonding. So maybe when you guys first connected, you know, or maybe when this person started connecting with you, like maybe there was trauma between the both of you. And maybe that's where this like attachment happened, you know. And okay, I feel like you're realizing that, you're not, or maybe you were not whole, and that you just have a lot of issues, you know? And I feel like you don't want to continue to lash out at this person, or you don't want to continue to drag this person through, like maybe some of your unhealthy coping mechanisms for some of you, or maybe just the drama that your baggage comes with. You know, maybe in some ways you feel kind of bad. And so you're like, you know what, I realize that I need to heal. And you know, that again could be vice versa. I need to heal, I need to be whole within myself, I need to find myself before I'm able to really be in a commitment like this one. It's unfair to the other person, it's unfair to me, it's unfair to my soul, you know? So I feel like it's best to let this go, and I feel like that's the realization that you're having here. And again, like with that trauma bonding thing, I feel like it was just comfortable. Like both of you found solace within this connection in some way. And but it's like, again, like depending on the other person for a sense of support. And also there's that realization too that in some ways you guys were attracted to each other because you guys have been through similar things, you know, you guys had similar wounds that you guys recognized between the, you know, within both of you, and you guys bonded over that. Or latched on to each other because of that, you know. But with the Seven of Pentacles in the reverse, this is that reevaluation with the Seven of Pentacles in reverse. Again, this is no longer growing. There's no more resources that you want, that you're willing to put towards this situation here. You're like, I'm withholding my finances, you know, I'm no longer spending money on this person or on supporting this person at this time because it's just not worth it. I feel like also maybe there may be an issue here with your savings account or your checking account here. Maybe again, like maybe there's been, maybe financially you've hurt a lot because of this situation, or maybe also because of this divorce. You've realized like this really took a hit. Like your wallet really took a hit because of this relationship, or because of the ending of this relationship. And I do feel like it's going to take a lot of strength with the Strength card here to get back on your feet in terms of stability